Here we are, we're going to try to get our head all put together and get that on. Can't really fasten it down yet, but we can get it on. Still waiting for the ARP head studs, but for the most part we should be able to get this bad boy assembled on our new valve springs. Okay, the other question is which side goes up though? I would think the bigger side would be down.
The bigger side goes down, yeah. So my thought was.
Just makes sense. You need a paper towel, don't you, Mike? Stuff under there? Don't put that on yet. Oh yeah, we are.
Yeah, that's just sits in there.
Oh, you're just seeing the, okay. Well, here, I'll tear it for these. Stuff it under. Let me know if you need more. You should be able to ball that up pretty good. But yeah, we're going to try to get our stuff on. We got to do, I think we'll just do this whole exhaust side, Mike. The whole side, and then we'll flip it. Back, motherfuckers. Trying not to fuck this up. Yeah, these all look the same to me. I don't think they would have put them in the same bag if they weren't. Do you? Uh-oh. Didn't fit over that.
What's up with the map, dude?
They all look the same size to me. Where's the old ones?
Are these just the tops? How many are there?
That's a good call. How many would there be? 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 16, 2,
16 times
4,
2 though.
6,
32.
8, 10, 12, 14. No, there's the top.
That's just the top, so the bottom.
16. Are they in there? Do they not give us bottoms? Do we use the stock bottoms?
I don't know. That seems weird.
Doesn't it? We're going to use the old bottom valve spring retainer. These don't fit over the top.
These are just the tops. So.
Yeah. So yeah, and these are the new ones. This must be my Mountain Dew. I like Mountain Dew. Okay, let's just do the exhaust side. Which one is this? No. Oh, the other one slid down in there. How do you get them to stay up? Or does it, if they sink down in, do they just come up when the spring comes up?
Can I have your attention, please? First of all, thanks to everyone for this awesome and special job here for me.
So what happens is one there, that's going to that down, slow down. I think that's everyone let go. That's it, when it comes out, let go. Okay, let's keep it. Just put a little dab of lube on all this. I think we got them on good. I'm just trying to think what it means by centered. I mean, it's not like the valve's going to move.
Right, so it's just the spring.
It's just
can you spin the spring so that it sits, so that the valve is centered? I guess is really what it comes down to.
Centering it does make a difference, actually. It does. So when you turn it,
it definitely will sit.
It definitely will sit different.
Okay. Well.
Okay, so, but it's going to be easier to do without that thing on there. Unfortunately. I wonder if it's all one direction. See how this tab is down? I think that'll just, I mean, that one looks pretty centered. Down, right? If I turn it up, let's see if it happens if I turn it up. If I turn it up, look at it. Okay, we found our answer.
Okay.
Easy peasy. people. Ooh, did we just do it? Michael! Is that right? I think so. Oh, we got one, mother effers. Too bad you can't see a damn thing because we have to hover over it like it's China. Dude, we got one. It's just tricky. They're just tricky. They're just little tricky things. They look like they're sitting right now. It's like, yeah.
It does seem like it's just pinch more on one side than the other.
But I mean, it just must be the... Well, let's do another one and we'll see what it looks like.
Didn't they like tap on them with a hammer to check them?
They might have, yeah.
I think that's kind of.
Let's do these two and then we'll do that. Because then we'll have to take that off.
Okay, you want to give me another spring and chamber?
Sure. I can do that. Skeeter. I'm missing one.
Missing one what?
Oh, it's right here. That one makes sense. I was like,
two keepers.
I was like, can get two keepers. You don't think the keepers are different at all, do you? I wouldn't know why they would do that to us.
No, I don't think so. That would be crazy.
Yeah. Hopefully they don't torture us like that.
You have to have a matching
matching set of keepers. Oh God, please no. Someone let us know before we start our engine if that's what we need. They don't make a perfect circle.
No,
so
it doesn't fill that gap perfectly.
I think it's supposed to be offset like that. Wild.
Yeah.
I think it's the way it compresses it. So when we scoot it over, what do we need to do? Try to push it as far forward as we can.
To try and get it up over
like the black piece.
I see what you're saying. No,
you know what I mean?
100% what you're
and
saying,
then that might help us just a little bit. Okay, here's two keepers.
Just one at a time.
I was like, be careful. Set this one over here. Okay, I got my screwdriver.
Due to an electrical issue, Joe is first.
I don't know, because like, can you try and get them
Really? In case I get dementia and forget what I ever did in my life, you know?
Okay.
That's what this is really for, people. This is for me, not for you. Hold on, I gotta find a good way to...
I don't know if the two of you explain to me how you know each other.
There we go. Almost a two-person job, though.
Every person I've seen do it with one, it sucks, but this seems to be going on. So.
That went pretty good. That one went pretty good. Yeah, we'll tap them with a hammer, make sure they worked. There, hopefully they get to see that. We'll do two more for you, and then we'll probably just kick your asses out of here. But that looks pretty good. Okay, now take these off. Obviously, hopefully this works, and we don't have to... I think we just put some of that lube over those too.
Oh,
once we get them. I'll just wait. Rub them out, probably best. Okay, kind of watch her. Just stayed. Works for me. Over there. Works for me. Okay, let's go to the next one.
Well, let's do these two, right? Remember, we have the pad under here, so these ones are held up in place next.
Okay, that's fine. We can do that too. Are these the intake ones?
Oh, we gotta do all the guides then. I don't know. Do you want to just try and do one side? We gotta keep lifting it up and go then with the pad, but it'd be easier to do it and then face it at you.
Yeah, it would be. Well, we can do this. Okay, so let's just turn this up again. Like this. It's not as hard to move the pad as I think it is. Next hole. Lay it down. There. Yep. Yeah, I think it'd just be easier to do the side. Do the side and then... Okay, so what do we need? This? Just get a picture on them. Make sure your screw is down. Put it on there, yeah. Oh, Daddy. That looks a lot better. It'll still need to be fried a little bit. Stop saying daddy and mommy, it's weird. Yes, daddy, yes. What? No, something popped. That one? I mean, one of these holes is weird. What's up with that? Needs a lot more tension. This is it. Can I keep this? Put it on somewhere. Try to get this light to sit in the right spot. Suck light.
Your moms are posting a lot since she got that phone from Cricket. Every day. Here's a comment. We stand. Oh, beautiful mom. Marco?
I get that. So what I do is I use the groove. I get it to sit in the groove. Take the round spot. Okay, like that. It's working. You're getting good, Mike. Is it okay still? Yeah. Seems alright, I guess. I'm just worried that one looks like it's sticking up further then. Looks like it's in the groove. Okay. Well, you guys, you get one more, yeah. And then I'm kicking you out. We got work to do. I'll give you 4. Intake side's all the same, so.
No difference.
No diffs. Just more work required. Something like that. Oh, let's turn it down like that. So let's turn it down more like that. Okay, go ahead. Check keepers. 1, 2. So over here. Separate them. I don't think you do. I'm good until we finish this one, actually. That's my guess. Better light. 46 minutes of head work. We still have, I don't have to get 3 hours.
A quarter after this one.
A quarter. 45 minutes. The quarter, Mike. That means 3 hours to put our head together.
It'll go faster now that we know what we're doing.
No. So then we get the breaks on too. Or are we always? That's what's next week. I don't think it'll take that long to do your breaks up. I want a different pick.
No, I guess I'm doing okay with like a...
Yeah, a couple different. So we've got a swirly deal. So it's got, yeah, I don't know if we're getting our helpful.
Oh! I fucked that all up. That's it.
You're on top of it. There you go. That's good right away. There you go.
Looks good.
Does look good. Okay. Let me get set up quick. Okay. What happens is when you let it out, it gets easier to kind of tilt that way. Alright, looks alright. I mean, at least we're getting them on one try.
Right.
Baby, look, iced tea. Fuck yeah. Well, there we go, people. We got another one in. Be impressed.
Because we are.
We are amateurs. Rooks. We'll tap those, make sure they stayed. Other than that, I don't know. I'm not going to show you all 16 of them, so. Yeah, anyways. There you go, we gave you a little taste. It is tricky, it is nice having 2 people. Definitely will admit that.
Definitely need this tool.
Definitely need this tool.
Thank you, PQI.
Yeah, again, second time we've had to thank them because it is definitely, it's a must. You don't have this tool, you're stupid. Yep. But it's been working good. Just keep this forward. I mean, you just got to play with the keepers a little bit to get them in there. It's nice because I've been prying the back of the tool kind of forward as he lets it out because it's hard to keep
the alignment.
Yeah, to help keep it centered. Otherwise, it pushes the keepers out, like we were seeing in other videos too. So, but it has been a help having 2 people. But we're gonna keep ripping these out, and we will show you when we're done because it's just a lot to show you, and I don't want to make that long of a video. See, they're all in here. This is our new head gasket. Loser. Alrighty, Mike.
Is the gasket on? Should I set it on?
It is on, yes.
Should we do that before we do anything else?
You can just set it on, yeah. We can show the people after it's on.
Which side?
So timing chain, that side front. So when you come over here, just swing. Watch out, Raj. Should just kind of set on there. Right there, my side's good. It'll kind of press on a little bit. Oop. I had to push mine down pretty hard. Might have to tap it with a... Okay, now do this side a little bit. It looks pretty good. I mean, until we tighten it down. Look at that though, an engine. Woo! Woo! We're gonna saran wrap her, call her a day on this. We got other stuff to do. God, look at this, turned out good. Took us a while, but we got them on. That's all that matters. They look good, I mean. Brian Cower springs. What else was Brian Cower? Crower? Crower. My bad. Crow Cox. Brian Crower. I think our rods were Cower stuff, weren't they?
It might have been.
Might have been. I don't even remember now. Yeah, babe. Anyways, that's what we got done there. I cut some stuff over there. Yep, with my saw. Anyways, now we're gonna start at Mike's brakes. Got some brakes to do so the man can stop on his way to work. On his way to make money for race car parts. It's the only reason we go to work. Let's be honest. It's the only reason. All right, well, probably blinding you with my headlamp. Checking out the welder over there. Well, we'll bring you back once we start on Mark's brakes a little bit. Mike's. Psst. We're getting tired. We're gonna saran wrap the pith out of this too. So yeah, we'll show you that maybe when we're done. Oh, it's all saran wrapped, babe. No dirt's getting in there for now.